Now I am taking an example on transformation of triple integrals from Cartesian coordinates to cylindrical coordinates. And the question is, evaluate the triple integral x square plus y square plus z square dx dy dz over the region bounded by 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to x square plus y square less than or equal to 1. Already we know that the transformation from Cartesian to cylindrical polar coordinates is x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, z is equal to z. And from the given problem, the integrand is x square plus y square plus z square. Now we are transforming from xyz coordinates to r theta z coordinates. So if you substitute the above substitutions, you will get r square plus z square. And next we are finding Jacobian. The formula for Jacobian is j is equal to dou of xyz by dou of r theta z. And the simplification or the transformation from triple integral in Cartesian coordinates to triple integral in cylindrical coordinates. The function x square plus y square plus z square is replaced by r square plus z square, and we got the Jacobian j is equal to r, and I am putting here, and dx dy dz is transformed to dr d theta dz. From the given information, we write the limits of integration in cylindrical coordinates as r varies from 0 to 1, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, z varies from 0 to 1, and substituting all these limits into the RHS, we get this integral. And now first we integrate with respect to dz, and substituting the limits for z is equal to 0 to 1. R cube integral with respect to, when we are integrating with respect to z, we treat r terms as constants. So therefore r cube will be as it is, integral of dz is z, and r kept as it is, integral of z square is z cube by 3, and the limits of integration 0 to 1. Substitution, after substitution we get double integral over r and theta, r cube plus r by 3 d theta dr. And now I am integrating this function with respect to theta. Again, when I am integrating with respect to theta, treating r as a constant. So r kept fixed, and integral of d theta is theta, r by 3 into integral of d theta is theta, and theta limits are from 0 to 2 pi. And next substitution, after substitution the whole problem has transformed to a single variable r, and after integration with respect to r, we are getting 2 pi r cube integral is r power 4 by 4, 2 pi by 3 will be as it is, r integral is r square by 2, and limits of integration r limits are from 0 to 1. After substituting the limits, you will get the answer 5. Now here I am taking another problem on evaluation of triple integrals transforming to spherical coordinates. Here the question is, evaluate triple integral xyz into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 into dx dy dz taken to the positive octant of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to d square. Here in the question it is not mentioned that transform using the spherical coordinates, but we will use spherical polar coordinates. Why? Because here the geometry is dealing with sphere. So what the transformations from Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates, already we know that the transformations from spherical to Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates are x equal to r sin theta sin phi, y is equal to r sin theta, x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, z is equal to r cos theta. And the Jacobian, here we get dou of x y z by dou of r theta phi is equal to r square sin theta. Just now we have discussed that also. This is the formula Jacobian, we got r square sin theta. Now we write the integrand x y z into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. If you substitute x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, z is equal to r cos theta, and all the substitutions in the this function, this will be reduced to r to the power n plus 5 into sin cube theta into cos theta into cos phi into sin phi. Now the limits of integration come in terms of spherical polar coordinates. R varies from, sphere of the radius is from 0 to b, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, phi varies from 0 to pi by 2. Now the triple integral in Cartesian coordinates has transformed to polar form x square. This is our given problem. N by 2 dx dy dz. Now it is transformed to spherical coordinates. R varies from 0 to b, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, and phi varies from 0 to pi by 2, and the function is r power n plus 5 into sin cube theta cos theta sin phi cos phi. This whole into Jacobian it is. Here we will have the term multiplication of Jacobian also you will get after simplification. This is the term we get here. And now dr d theta d phi. If we integrate with respect to d theta, first we integrate with respect to phi, and after simplification, this simplification is very easy, so that you can do on your own. R to the power n plus 6 by n plus 6. This is the last step of integration, and 2 by 4 into 2, 1 into 1 by 2. After the simplification, here the limits are from r is equal to 0 to b. We obtain b power n plus 6 by 2 will get cancelled, 4 into 2, 8 into n plus 6. This is our required answer.